Is your smartphone broken? Is the face cracked? Is your battery constantly draining in just a few hours? If so, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the premier local phone and tablet repair service. Before you go and spend hundreds of dollars on a new phone or tablet, let our repair technicians take a look at your old one. Chances are we can get it running like new and replace any cracked or broken parts. So contact us now and find out why so many local customers come to us for all of their phone and tablet repair needs.